Are you facing the dreaded authorization failed error when trying to log into MetaTrader 5? Don't worry, in this video, I will show you the best ways to fix this issue step by step. So let's get started. First is let's check your internet connection. So MetaTrader 5 requires a stable network to log in successfully. So here's how you can do it. So just swipe down and then check if you have connected to the internet connection. You can also try switching to mobile data if you have, and you just have to make sure that you have this stable internet connection to use with MetaTrader 5. Next is double check your login details. Incorrect credentials are common cause of authorization failures. So here's what to check. So make sure that you're entering the correct account number and password. Also confirm that you're using the correct server provided by your broker. And if you've forgotten your password, you can reset it using your broker's website or application. Now, if you're still having trouble, and it might be due to an outdated MetaTrader 5 application, so to update it, you can open your App Store or Google Play Store and then search for MetaTrader 5 and check if an update is available. Now, if an update is available, you can install it and try logging in again. Now, if updating doesn't work, then offloading or reinstalling the application can help clear any corrupted files. So here's how. So this is for iPhone. So to do this, go to Settings, tap on the General, and then go to iPhone Storage. Then just find the MetaTrader 5 and tap on Offload, and then you can go ahead and reinstall it from the App Store. Now for Android, just go to Settings, tap on Apps, go to MetaTrader 5, and then just tap on Uninstall, then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. And that's it. By checking your internet, verifying your login details, updating the application, and reinstalling it, you should be able to fix the authorization failed issue on MetaTrader 5. And I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!